In this lesson, you'll learn how to write a haiku poem in 5 easy steps. We'll also end with a lesson challenge to test your knowledge. The first step is to come up with an idea for your haiku. Traditionally, haikus are about nature, seasons, and even animals. Start by making a list of potential ideas for your haiku. Try to think of at least 5 ideas. Here are some ideas to help you: the summer season, a sunflower, a buzzing bumblebee, falling leaves, or traffic in a busy city. Now, from this list of ideas, pick your favorite idea to work with. Step 2. Decide on the overall structure of your haiku. There are 4 main techniques for structuring haikus. These include the contrast technique, the when, where, and what technique, the narrowing focus technique, and the comparison approach. The first is contrast. A contrasting structure is about thinking about opposites, such as a big thing and a small thing, or something loud and something quiet. Take a look at this example by Jane Reichold. In this example, the hard rain is the opposite of the tender new leaves. The second technique is the when, where, and what technique. This technique starts by describing the when, such as season and time. Then the where is the location, such as on a beach or at the top of a mountain. And finally, what is happening, such as birds singing or snow falling. You can rearrange the order of this to suit your haiku. Here is an example by Richard Wright. The third technique is narrowing focus. Here you start the haiku on something wide or general, and then narrow it down to the details. Take a look at this example. We start on the outside, at a distance looking at a busy city. Then by the end, we have zoomed in on the people talking inside this city. The final technique is comparison. Comparison haikus make use of metaphors or similes. They include 2 different images that are in some way similar to each other. Take a look at this example. In this example, the people scattered are similar to the scattered leaves. Now, your task in this step is to pick one structure technique that you can use in your own haiku poem. Step 3. Write the opening line. Generally, the first line of a haiku contains 5 syllables. Syllables are the number of vowel sounds a word makes when spoken. For example, the word sunflower is 1 word with 3 syllables, while the word cat is 1 word with 1 syllable. The opening line of your haiku will also depend on the structure you selected in Step 2. Here are 4 different opening lines using the techniques discussed in Step 2 for the idea of sunflowers. Step 4. Write the second line of your haiku. The second line normally contains a maximum of 7 syllables. This will be the longest line in your haiku. Ideally, the second line should either continue from the first line or have some connection to it. Again, you should consider the structure selected in Step 2 when writing this line. Here are 4 different second line examples for the idea of sunflowers. Step 5. Write the third and final line of your haiku. The last line of a haiku poem has 5 syllables. Again, it should continue from the second line or have some connection to it. Here are 4 different ending lines using the techniques from Step 2 for the idea of sunflowers. Well done! You have now finished writing a haiku poem. Keep practicing with more ideas, and you'll be a haiku master in no time. Now it's time for today's lesson challenge. Can you write a haiku about a flying kite using the when, what, and where technique? For more tips on writing haikus, as well as examples, please see the link in the video description below. That's all from us today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more lessons and ideas. See you next time.